Let's make some jam. Today I am making strawberry and raspberry jam. It is 3 cups of your desired fruit, 1 pack of pectin, 7 cups of sugar, 4 teaspoons of lemon juice because we're going to water bath. You combine all of your ingredients and you put it over medium heat and bring it to a hard boil. After you do that, fill your jars. Make sure you're leaving enough head space. Fill it up to this rim right here. This is for water bathing method. Okay, and now that the jars are all full, you are going to wipe the rim of each and every single one of these. I use vinegar just to make sure there's nothing that will stop the seal from happening in the water bath. Now when you add the lids, make sure you're just doing it to fingertip tightness. You don't want to make it too tight, otherwise they will burst in your water canner.